Oh, nice. That's a nice picture. Come here, Bowser. Bowser, come here.
I'm this video.
Okay. Yeah, Adeline. Chewed up rattle. Here you go.
Bowser should come in.
Okay.
He'll later, by later. He eat it.
Yeah, she likes to chew on things. Annabelle, would you like a little lunch?
No.
No, thank you. Okay.
Banana? Peanut butter?
No.
Rice. Here, I think. Don't break them. You know why? Because you have it pinched with one hand and you're trying to open it with the other. There you go.
Again.
No sir, not me. I guarantee I want much more than this provincial life.
Getting ready for dancing. Annabelle, let's get your pants on, baby girl.
Yeah.
Your lizard matches your outfit. Your lizard matches your outfit?
Sir? I see. Yeah, I want to see.
See your sister?
No, but there's a pair of panties on the floor.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Go for a second. Let me do a little bit more like this. Let me just get her.
I'm around.
You see?